Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to delete blank rows in Excel at once. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data. In this data I have some blank rows. So let's see how it's delete at once. Simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and you can select here entire data. Then press the Ctrl G to open a go to dialog box. Then click on the spatials option. Then click on the blanks. Then click on OK and here you can see the blank row is selected. Okay. Then press the Control minus key and here the delete dialog box is open and click on the shift cell up. Okay. When you delete this blank cell, the below, when you delete this blank row, the below row will shift up. Okay. So therefore I select here the shift cell up, click on OK and that's it. Here you can see the all blank rows deleted at once. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.